I am Pavlo Kuznietsov, postgraduate of the National University of Water and Environmental Engineering, specialty ecology, and at the same time work general specialist of chemistry Rivne nuclear power plant. I am presenting a report on the topic formation of the carbonate system of circulating cooling water of the Rivne NPP and its influence of changes in the surface water pH levels of the Styr river. Components of carbonate system are main constituent of natural water and shape the ability to neutralization acid and alkalinity. Each form exists in a pH interval. The presence of one or another form in the carbonate system components determines one or another value water pH. Dissolved carbon dioxide interacts with water and forms bicarbonate and carbonate ions. My report presents research results on carbonate components of water circulating cooling system CCS of Rivne NPP and its influence of natural water Styr river. Object study is CCS Rivne NPP. Rivne NPP have 4 power units, installed power 2835 megawatts. CCS includes water treatment in which they carry out the following climbing and stabilization treatment phosphonate and sulfuric acid. Liming during water treatment is performed due to the displacement carbon equilibrium of the source water and pH value rises to 8.8 to 9.8. Treatment with sulfuric acid of makeup water is carried out during regulation of 7.5 to 7.8. Experimental studies were carried out using the test bench with operating conditions of CCS were modeled in particular evaporation and concentration and air aeration. Dynamic of pH changes during the concentration and aeration of cooling water samples with and without treatment by sulfuric acid shown in diagram. During evaporation sample treated with liming and sulfuric acid, an increase in pH is observed and decided without sulfuric acid. Increase and decrease in the pH is caused a shift in the equilibrium of the components of the carbonate system with formation of calcium carbonate. During air aeration for sample treatment with liming, a decrease in pH is observed, which is accompanied by a shift in the carbonate balance due to carbon dioxide neutralization with the formation of bicarbonate. For treatment with liming and sulfuric acid, an increase in pH is observed, which is accompanied by a shift in the carbonate balance due to the absorption of carbon dioxide and formation of bicarbonate. Coefficient phi, which is calculated by chloride, and psi, which calculated by total hardness, characterized the process of skull formation in CCS. The value of the difference coefficients which should not exceed zero point 0.2. The normalized value of the difference coefficients when used only liming is provided when phi is less than 3. When used liming and sulfuric acid, phi is less than 4. Neutralization of alkalinity with sulfuric acid is advisable when coefficients are more than 3. Since 2017, the use of sulfuric acid for the treatment of CCS and its use at phi less than 3. According to visual control, deterioration of the condition equipment was not recorded. The indicator characterizing formation of skull, the difference between coefficients concentration for 2012 to 2021 are comparable. Changing dosing mode of sulfuric acid did not do deterioration in the efficiency of the equipment. During water treatment by liming, pH value increased to 9.4 to 9.8. Within the work of Rivne NPP CCS during the period of our research, the period of reaches with make-up cooling water neutralized or not neutralized with sulfuric acid. Regardless of the method of treatment, the stabilization of the pH values cooling water is observed in the range 8.3 to 8.7. The discharge of return water with pH value 8.3 to 8.7 of the Rivne NPP does not affect the pH value of water in Styr river. Because the rules are followed for fisheries, reserves should value 6.5 to 8.5. The conclusions of the research are shown on the slide and implementation in the practice of Rivne NPP. Thank for attention.